it's Tally, and today we are going to walk you through the super simple process of transferring cash throughout your entire organization in Bravo. Bravo tracks the movement of bills and coins between the bank account, safes, and tills. This allows you to see exactly where cash is throughout the day so you can confidently monitor your funds. Select Transfer Tender from the right side of the Bravo dashboard. First, we select the source, bank account, store safe, or till. Let's transfer tender from the safe. The destination options are banks or tills. Let's choose till 16. Now the current amount in the till is displayed. Note, to transfer into a till, it must already be open, and till-to-till transfers are allowed. Now enter the count of each denomination. In this example, we have 10 100s, 20 50s, and 50 $20 bills, for a total of $3,000, auto-calculated here. This amount will also populate in the transfer amount field calculating the new till balance amount. Notes shown on the receipt can be added here. Select Save to complete the transaction and a receipt will print. That's it. If you have additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks.